More than 15,000 people killed in Turkey-Syria quake, officials say. While at least 2,992 have been killed in Syria. Thousands of buildings were reported collapsed in a wide area extending from Syria's cities of Aleppo and Hama to Turkey's Diyarbakir, more than 330 kilometers, 200 miles, to the northeast. In Turkey alone, more than 5,600 buildings were destroyed, authorities said. Hospitals were damaged, and one collapsed in the city of Iskenderun. Tens of thousands who were left homeless in Turkey and Syria faced a night in the cold. In the Turkish city of Gaziantep, a provincial capital about 33 kilometers, 20 miles, from the epicenter, people took refuge in shopping malls, stadiums, mosques and community centers. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan declared 7 days of national mourning. At a hospital in Idlib, Osama Abdulhamid said most of his neighbors died when their shared 4-story building collapsed. As he fled with his wife and 3 children, a wooden door fell on them, shielding them from falling debris. He said, "God gave me a new lease on life." A legislator from Turkey's Hatay province said several of his family members were stuck under the rubble of their collapsed homes. "There are so many other people who are also trapped. There are so many buildings that have been damaged. People are on the streets."